Friends, welcome to my channel. Do you still think that Reliance is doing their age-old traditional business of petroleum and other plastic industries? I feel Reliance have transformed itself into a new tech-oriented, very innovative and digital services company. And going further, they are focusing a lot more on the technology related businesses rather than the traditional businesses. So in this video, we are going to discuss the top 8 initiatives of Reliance Industries to grow faster in 2020. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. I am Varun Agarwal and let's get started. So Reliance Industries plans to get completely debt free by the end of this year, and they plan to achieve this target in 2020 itself. The earlier they have planned for 2021 but they are confident that they will achieve this target of becoming debt free in the year 2020 itself. They have a debt of around 1.61 lakh crores. Out of that, 43,547 crores they have raised through a deal with Facebook recently, and they are coming up with a rights issue of about 453,000 crores, and they are in talks to sell their stake in the oil business to Saudi Aramco. And there are a lot of other investors also showing interest after the Facebook deal which has happened recently. They've already come up with a product called JioFiber, which is growing rapidly very fast. Under JioFiber, they are providing services of broadband internet, landline phone connection, TV streaming, TV video calling, and all these services are provided by a single product or service, and they prefer to become the preferred partner for the large businesses in India. Their target is to achieve 20 million residential connections and to get 15 million business connections for JioFiber in the coming future. Coming to the Jio Telecom, which everybody, or I would say maximum people are switching on to Jio these days. They are the biggest telecom company or service provider in India, and they become the second biggest in the world. Their profitability is growing and will grow further faster as they are slowly hiking up the prices, and the data consumption in the country is growing tremendously well. Each and everyone is using more and more data, and 7.5 million new customers they have added in just one quarter of March 2020. Coming to the retail business, Reliance Retail is again growing very fast. It has become the fastest growing retail business in the world, and they have opened 1500 new stores in financial year 2019, and 125 million customers have registered in Reliance Retail until now, which is 40% more than their previous size of customer base. So you can see the retail business is also growing very fast, and this is expected to grow a lot more faster in 2020 due to their new initiatives in the retail sector. They have launched a new product called Jio POS Lite. This is point of sales Lite. In using this app, anybody can become an entrepreneur. They can download and register under this app and become a Jio partner. After becoming a Jio partner, they can recharge people's phones and give new connections, and maybe in future Reliance Jio can come up with a lot of new products which you can sell through the Jio POS app. It is very easy to register, sign up and start using. So by getting into this, everybody can get a Jio partnership and become a partner in Jio's business and become an entrepreneur. The sixth new product is the remote calling centers. They have developed a mobile based calling facility. Instead of normally in the call center there is a complex computer system and a landline system integrated and people do the calls, but they have simplified it into a simple computer software which can be integrated into your mobile phone, and you can do the call center work from home itself. They have also started promoting their Jio Meet application, which is similar to the other softwares or the apps which we have in the market like Zoom and Google Hangouts. So using this you can do your official meetings and also interact with your friends and family and using this there is lot of organizations or educational institutions which they are doing their e-learning, and a lot of hospitals and other healthcare companies, they are providing online healthcare services, and the pro version of JioMeet is also going to come soon. Coming to the latest and the hot initiative called JioMart. This is in the initial stages right now in nearly a few areas in Mumbai itself, but this is going to be launched across the country very soon. In this, they are trying to collaborate the small vendors around the city and bring them online through their JioMart app and integrate JioMart with WhatsApp, so that customers and small traders around you are able to buy and sell very easily. So this is like an e-commerce platform to empower millions of merchants to serve their customers, and the merchants will be using the technology of Jio and retail infrastructure of the Jio retail business. The local merchants will get a point of sale terminal, and the customers will interact with them through WhatsApp and the Jio app. Presently, it is only tested in Mumbai. So these are the 8 initiatives which Jio and the Reliance in company has taken in 2020 to grow very fast. I hope you like this video, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. If you want me to make any video on the topic of your choice, feel free to comment below and put your questions in the comments, and I would definitely reply to all your comments. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.